Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix video cannot be posted on TikTok. What I want you to do is to go to your settings, and then I want you to scroll down until you see the apps option. Click on it, and then alright, we will go through the second option, manage apps. We will go into the search bar, and we will search for TikTok app. So let's dive right in. Alright, we will go now below on the right side, and we will click on clear data. Alright, and I want you to select the second option, clear cache. Right, once you click on clear cache, they put you between two options. Rather, you want to cancel or you want to continue by clicking on OK, the blue button. Alright, once you do that, and you got back to your app, and that problem still doesn't solve or doesn't fixed, I want you to go into your Play Store, and then search for TikTok. Alright, and look for updates, just like me. Alright, then click on updates, and also if that problem doesn't been solved by these solutions, you just need to go into your app, get back to your app, and then alright, and then click on profile, that one, and then go into these three vertical lines on the top right side and click on them. Alright, then scroll down until you see support, click or tap on support, and then go into help center, tap in. Right, and here you can choose and write your problem to the support of TikTok, like, hi, I want you to fix a problem that appears to me. It's an error that says video cannot be posted on your TikTok app, etc. And they will of course solve that problem for you. You just need to be patient and to wait. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.